Hi guys, Nick here, and today I got our Blu-ray unboxing, and this time I'm going to be unboxing my first Fox Marvel movie, which is Deadpool 2. Just got this at Walmart recently at the time of me recording the video. We got Deadpool right in the middle here. And two other characters, which I forgot the names of, because I only saw this movie and the first one once. I think the movies will pay crazy. And he's a super duper, as it says, swear words, because the pros pay good at that. Not going to say what the swear word is, because trying to keep this channel pretty clean. And I did do some disclaimers as well. Well, I was doing my reactions to both teaser and trailer of both Deadpool movies because Deadpool swears. And here's the back of the case. Got some bonus features in here. And you got Deadpool wearing a X-Force shirt. Well, X-Men. I haven't seen my X-Men movies yet at the time of me recording this either. Might do some reactions to the previous ones before we're going to see Deadpool and Wolverine in Avengers 5 and Secret Wars. I know those movies won't be out for a while. And now let's open this up and see what's on the inside here. Almost. I messed it up right here. And got a plastic off, and now let's take a look on the inside. There's a DVD on the left with a unicorn. And because I think Deadpool likes unicorns for whatever reason. And the Blu-ray disc on the right with the Deadpool face. And so he's doing some kind of wink. Oh, sorry about that. Alright then, that's about it for today's Deadpool 2 on Blu-ray unboxing. And if you enjoyed today's unboxing video, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when new videos upload to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.